Hi everybody, this is Adila Flus
and Aysila in Aktanish, the Republic of Tatarstan.
How are you today? We hope you have enjoyed our first lesson and we are moving to the next one.
Are you happy? In today's lesson we are going to talk all about saying hello and goodbye. When do we say it, where, how, and so on. When we first meet someone, whether it's a person we know or someone we are meeting for the first time, we will normally use a simple sentence as a way of greeting them.
A greeting is a friendly way of opening a conversation or as a way of letting the other person know that we have seen them. There are many ways to say hello in Tatar. For example, selam, isen misiniz? Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Sağ mısınız? Salam. This word has an Arabic origin and means I wish peace for you, but nowadays we mean just hello. İsen misiniz? This means hello. Assalamu alaikum and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This structure also have an Arabic origin and we can find it in all Muslim world. Sağ mısınız means are you okay?
We sometimes use a double greeting. For example, Selam, nishkhalargiz, nishkhalahwal, Selam, sawma, hayırlı gün, hayırlı irte, hayırlı kiş. Selam, nishkhalargiz means hi, how are you? Nishkhalahwal means hi, how are your things going? Selam, sawma means hello, are you okay? Hayırlı gün means good afternoon. Hayırlı irte means good morning. Hayırlı kiş means good evening.
If you are meeting someone for the first time, you can say Tanışуыбызга бик шатмын. It's nice to meet you. Sizni күрүмө бик шатмын. Glad to see you. These sentences are often used after the other person has been introduced to you.
If you are in a hurry, there is only a short time in which to make your greeting. Selam, غفوت من الشغام, شطرة الشربس. Hi, I'm so sorry, but I am in a hurry. I'll call you later. Минем номером не yazıp koy. Please write down my number. Бүгүнкү шылтатыра унутмам. I don't forget to call you today. Шылтатыра тырышырмын. I'll try to call you.
Thanks to the Flus. This type of greeting is common in these days because we are all in such a big hurry to get someplace as fast as we could. We sometimes use some words as a way of showing surprise or shock. Astaghfirullah and Astaghfirullah Tawbah. Oh my God, it is also from Arabic. Nerse bu? What is it? Kim bu? Who is that? Allah. Oh my God.
Here in Tatarstan, people often greet each other by checking about the family. Ailen nişek? How is your family? Ailen halde? What about your family? Туганнарыңның хәлләре ничек? How are your relatives?
Saying goodbye. There are many ways to say goodbye. For example, Очрашырбыз әле. See you later. Очрашуга кадәр. We will meet after. Күрешербез. See you. Күрешкәнгә кадәр. Until the next meeting. This expression is mostly used as a friendly way to say goodbye.
Well, we have come to the end of this lesson, so we must bid you a fond farewell. Until next time we meet here on the internet highway. These are Aysila
and Dilafruz in Aktanish saying thank you for watching us, teaching you, and Ushra kadar.
Sağ olun.
Готовность номер 1.
Нет. Нет.
3, 3, 2.
Иди. Fıratma o zaman. İyi tizle. Well.
Yok.
Çok güzel oldu.